Hey, mommy. It's a much better day today to be back here. The water drained out and dried up a little bit. The sun's hitting pretty hard. There's Pelucha. So let me show you. Now that we have the sun out and the mud is a little bit dried up, let me show you. Let's start with the door. So there's the door. You see, this is the stick of wood that I was telling you that he put in. He nailed it in. And there's the door. It has a little latch. And this is what I was telling you on the phone the other day, that this handrail, it was covered with the door. So it was kind of dangerous to come down those stairs. See, no poder agarrarse del rail. So that's that. I'll show you how it looks closed. And it locks, like I said, it locks. So este perro. UPS is there. Okay. So the next thing I wanted to show you was the gutters, or the I'm blank. Anyways, there it is attached. And it's attached at the end with nails, so we don't have to worry about that coming loose. There's that. And that goes all the way out to here. So you don't have to worry about water pooling up under there, which is right next to the basement, which, by the way, is where the termites are mostly at. Termites like wet stuff. Pelucha's grazing on some grass here. They say that dogs do that for their stomach. And so not only is it going to be good to keep the basement dry, but it's also going to be good for the willow tree. Willow trees need a lot of water. It'll be good for this apple tree, I think. I'm not sure, because this apple tree is looking a little sick. It's like I haven't seen any buds come out of it at all. I don't remember. The buds are supposed to come out in the spring or in the summer. I'm not sure. And this is all the raspberries. This bush keeps getting bigger and bigger. So there's the end of that water pipe. It goes all along the edge. Intertwines over here. And it's also nailed in, so it doesn't come loose like those other ones did. That right there, if you can see it, my shadow's in the way, but that little hole right there is where that was at. I don't understand why they had the water going in through that straight down into the corner of this house, which is where, by the way, I found the water that comes in. I found it yesterday. It comes in through this wall, actually. So that's gonna be another little project. And then let me show you how this looks. I don't know if I showed you this already, but that's the new little deck fence, if that's what you call it. So that's it, Mom. there she is. She's still working on some grass. I've seen cats do this too. They also do that. Do a close up of her so you can see her. Oye, te me acerco y now you walk away. El pastito. She's coming down the stairs really good, Mom. So it was a good idea to just make her come down instead of carrying her. I should have done that from the beginning, but lesson learned. I fell down. So she is coming down. She's learning. It's like she's learning, and I think she's seeing better already. So yeah, I think the drops are working too. Either that, or it's just she's just getting used to it. She's coming down almost by herself. I don't have to touch her at each. Cada escalón, lo que yo hacía era que yo le hacía así para que ella pues bajara un pasito más. So she knew that I was right in front of her and she couldn't fall. Ya, I don't have to do that. I'm still standing in front of her, but I'm not touching her. And she's coming down each escalón sin prisa, which is amazing. All right, Mommy, so I'm gonna cut this short right here, and I will talk to you later. Say bye, Belu.